Welcome to the new era of bathroom comfort and hygiene with the TOTO SW084-01 Washlet C5, a leap into the future where innovation is at your fingertips. Today, we're spotlighting bidet toilet seats, focusing on the Washlet C5's unmatched cleanliness and the luxury of its warmth and ease. This advanced fixture transforms your daily routine into an ultimate comfort experience. Join us as we explore this innovative product, setting new standards in bathroom hygiene and comfort, and discover how easily it can become part of your home, turning your bathroom into a sanctuary. The journey to elevate your bathroom's convenience starts with unveiling the TOTO SW384-01 Washlet C5. This marvel of technology enhances your routine with sophistication and unparalleled cleanliness. Beginning with the unboxing and installation, we guide you through a straightforward setup, ensuring each component is ready to enrich your bathroom experience. Gently unpack the Washlet C5, and let's step through the installation together, focusing on a hassle-free process designed with simplicity in mind. From mounting to connecting the water supply, you're equipped to embrace a lifestyle shift towards superior hygiene and comfort. The Washlet C5's advanced features, including its intuitive controls and personal settings, promise to transform your bathroom visits into luxurious escapes. Let's anticipate the enriching experience and the significant benefits awaiting in the realm of hygiene and well-being. With the TOTO SW3084-01 Washlet C5 installed, immerse yourself in the heart of innovation. This bidet toilet seat, designed for your ultimate bathroom experience, offers personalized hygiene and comfort. The heated seat feature, with adjustable temperatures, is like a warm welcome, banishing the discomfort of cold seats. Explore customizable spray settings for the perfect cleanse, offering both comfort and superior hygiene. Notably, the Washlet C5 goes beyond cleanliness with the premised function, reducing waste adherence, and the eWater Plus technology for sanitizing, showcasing our commitment to eco-friendly hygiene solutions. These features underline the Washlet C5's exceptional stance in the bidet seat market, focusing on a clean, caring, and customizable approach to bathroom technology. As we delve further, consider the seamless integration of comfort, hygiene, and environmental consciousness that elevates the Washlet C5. Exploring the TOTO SW384-01 Washlet C5's innovative features brings us to address cost and installation concerns. The investment signifies a move towards unmatched hygiene and comfort, an experience blending luxury with practicality. While some may hesitate at the cost, remember, it's an investment in a lifestyle transformation. We've simplified the installation to empower those with minimal DIY skills, guiding you confidently through each step. Weighing these considerations against the benefits, it becomes clear that the Washlet C5's contribution to your well-being is immense. Let's ponder this balance as we conclude, evaluating the Washlet C5's worthiness of your investment. In our journey's conclusion, we reflect on the TOTO SW384-01 Washlet C5, not merely as a product, but as a path to redefine hygiene and comfort. From the welcoming warmth of its heated seat to the eWater Plus technology's cleansing promise, each feature is crafted for your utmost comfort. Amidst luxury, the concerns of cost and installation have emerged, yet they pale in comparison to the unparalleled comfort and hygiene offered. Weighing these features against personal needs and budget, if you seek the pinnacle of bathroom luxury and hygiene, the Washlet C5 may be the ideal home addition. As we part, consider how this leap towards advanced bathroom luxury aligns with your desires and needs.